This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the eye quickly. Import your clip at full project resolution and duplicate the layer to preserve the original. Draw a tight oval mask around the iris with the Draw Mask tool and set feather low so edges stay crisp. Once done, switch to the tracker and choose the mask as the tracking target. Track forward frame by frame if the automatic track drifts. Make sure to stop and correct keyframes where the pupil shifts to keep your mask precise. Once the mask reliably follows the iris, apply a hue/saturation or color wheels effect only to the mask track. You want to shift hue to the target color, then reduce saturation slightly so it reads natural. Increase highlights and midtone contrast to preserve the eye's sparkle. Make sure to toggle the mask's feather and expansion to blend edges. For depth, duplicate the masked layer, set it to soft light, or multiply at low opacity, and softly dodge the finish by matching color and brightness across every cut. Use a reference still or an adjustment layer so each shot reads consistently. Push small contrast and temperature tweaks as needed. Once done, scrub the timeline slowly to find flicker or mask drift, and smooth keyframes or rerun the tracker on problem sections. If automatic tracking fails, make manual keyframes every few frames. This ensures the iris stays aligned. Make sure to render and review at full quality before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.